Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're with Alexis and we're going to be putting on a new steering wheel. His old one looks like this. Looks like crap. This is a Laura 2, by the way. It's his dog. But it's the old BMW, the E46 steering wheel. So we're going to take this off today. Oh, slap the camera. We're going to take this one off today and then we're going to be putting this Volante steering wheel on. Do you remember which steering wheel this is?
I do not.
We'll put it right here. Well, Dana 350 genuine leather one. We also got the NRG quick release on it. This is the 2.0. You said
like 2.5 or something like that.
Yeah, it's one of those. It's got the little carbon fiber print on it, and then he's got the NRG race, short race hub. So you just put this, and you don't have to put the other part of the quick release. You just need the top half. So we're gonna take this steering wheel off and we're gonna put this one on. So let's do it. Look at all this change he's got.
This
Took
is
the carpet out and he's got it.
Not the same steering wheel as the ones on the videos.
So I think you're supposed to take out the side right here. Oh, what the where's it at?
I don't know, but people they have a little.
So when you don't know how to take out the steering wheel, you watch another YouTube video instead of watching ours. You watch another one. Should have watched the 350Z one. Maybe would have helped. Alright, so after extensive research, we figured out how to do it.
Yeah, I'm a professor.
You just take off these two right here on the bottom. I think they're just little clips.
Little push things.
Yeah, little push. And then you get to the bottom. And then you gotta take the top one off too. We'll see. It should just come right off.
Hopefully.
He breaks it.
We'll just leave it loose.
Yeah, we'll just leave
it loose.
And then we will update you when we figure out the next thing. Dope ass steering wheel. I wish you could see it in the light. Oh, there we go. It's got the BMW colors, the tri colors. Looks pretty dope.
We only do dope things around here.
We the dope squad.
It's too long.
We took the carpet out too. Well, they did the other day. They took the carpet out, making more of a drift missile. Still got the red interior, but took out the carpet. I see it coming out. There's one on each side that lets the airbag out, and I believe it is a T27. They let it out.
Or at least close enough, because if it.
Yeah.
Man, what you want to do now is just yank it.
Do it, let's see.
Ready?
Boom.
I bet.
Alright, now
what
we
the
gotta
take out the bottom part for?
Yeah, there's no need to take the bottom part off. It was just right here on the side, so don't do what we did and take the whole thing apart. So now you gotta take this nut off, and then you'll get the whole steering wheel released. Just like the Z, if you watched that video. Shout out to you if you did watch that video. But we're doing the E46 now, so a little different tools. Got the extendo for it.
That led to me on the internet too.
Guys, don't watch YouTube videos and don't watch Google, because it lies to you. But
not the right
Mad
specs.
Crew will give you the right specs. Alright, I think we got it.
It says 16.
It's a size 16 to take this off. Oh,
If you have a 2000 323 Ci.
Look at strong muscle man. Got a Laura in the background. Make sure the steering wheel. Should have made sure the wheels are straight.
Oh well. Let's put it back on.
I don't think it works like that now.
Wait.
I
changed it.
His wheels are a little crooked.
Well, I changed the tie rods and I don't know.
So your alignment's off.
Yeah.
So it doesn't even matter.
I mean, I think it'll be straight.
Alright, so we made a little bit of progress. We had to take the whole clock spring out. You take the 4 bolts on each side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're just the T20 or the T25, the T25s, and then you get the whole clock spring out pretty much, plus these little wipers. But we wanted to keep the wipers and the turn signal, but it wouldn't fit with this. It kept hitting these little rubber pieces right there, and it wouldn't go all the way in anyway. But on the back, you can actually pull these out. There's a clip there and a clip there on this side, and they both come off of here. And you can actually use the same bolts and go right through those and keep it in, and then leave the clock spring out. So if you do that, you can actually put it all back together like he's doing it, and still have the race hub. So we're gonna put it all together, and then we will show you what it looks like with it back together. Alright, so this is what it looks like all put back together. Everything should work. Oh, he doesn't have the key in, but the only thing we found that doesn't work is the blinker. So I don't know why it doesn't work. If there's any BMW know-it-alls in the comments, please, let us know why that blinker doesn't work.
But it's not important.
Well, BMWs don't even use blinkers anyway, so just one of the gang. Gonna put it back up, and we should be almost done. I mean, since he already bolted the steering wheel down to the quick release, it should just go right on. And then we should have time to put the seats in. A little harder, a little harder. You're not.
Didn't you hear it click?
Ah, okay. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of weird. It's got a lot of gapping right there, but it saves a lot of space because it's so short. So do the honors, my man. Put it on.
It don't fit. Ah, look at that.
All right.
Look, this thing covers it up.
Yeah, and it covers it up so you can't even tell when it's on, but you can tell when it's off, but not when it's on. But yeah, it looks really good. So now we just got to put the seats in because we've just been standing here on the floor. And then tell this man, put in the comments, clean your car, because look at this.
No, I cleaned it.
Look at this. Wait. Just wait for the rest. Look at this trunk. All these parts. You got some spoilers right here. We need those seat rails. So we're gonna start putting the seats in now, and then we'll show you the rest. Alright, so we got the driver's seat in. It's a little dark outside, it's getting there. But this is what it looks like. He chose the black seat to go with the interior, which looks really good. We need to clean up a little bit, but so the actual bolt to bolt them in is just a 16. There's 2 nuts in the front and then 2 bolts in the back, which will bolt it down. But he got another plate, which you use the stock NRG ones, and it goes onto that plate from Drift HQ. You can look it up. Link will be in the description for it. But you just bolt that straight down. It's factory. It goes to the factory bolts, and then you just kind of adjust it however you want it. But that's what it looks like, and it looks really good. Better in the daytime, I'm sure, but right now it'll do. I'll show you little clips of it with my iPhone because it can get a little bit better detail with it. So this is the bracket we were talking about. It goes right to the factory holes that I just showed you. That was a 16. The only problem is in the back, you're gonna have to, and the only way we can think is to drill it out right here to be able to get the bolt, because it's an actual bolt on this side, which you don't have much room to even get it through. That's the only way we can think of. We'll think more on it than see, but it's just called Planted. It's on Drift HQ, and then the NRG seats are on Drift HQ too, and you just use the factory side mounts, and it goes right onto the sides here. It actually goes into this middle hole on each one, and you just bolt it up and it bolts right in. So that's the seat install. I'll show you the seat and the steering wheel on my iPhone where it has a little bit better quality. Alright guys, so he's in it. Everything works. It's a little close. I mean, he can figure out what he wants. Maybe the steering wheel's got too much of a depth in it, too much concave, but you know, he can take it on and off pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty easy.
Alright, show him. There you go. Takes it
This is
on
my
and
first
off.
one. This is my first one.
That's the first time he's actually taking it on and off with it. And it's the first install of an aftermarket steering wheel
That's
too.
pretty cool, yeah.
So it's just now with the steering wheel straight, his tires are crooked. So he'll have to fix that later on.
An alignment thing.
Yeah, he's got to fix his alignment.
Yeah. I just,
Well, we ended up in this video getting the steering wheel on, quick release, and the hub, and then also the seats and the brackets on. We didn't do the other side because we're actually missing washers and nuts for that side, so we gotta go pick those up at Home Depot because
yeah,
it didn't
it's
come
too
with
late.
it. Yeah, it's also dark, and Ace and Lowe's are both closed. We are gonna sign out on this video. I guess this is all for it. So do you have anything to say, sir?
Have a good day.
All right. That's it. Peace out.